very inventive person. His house was the first one in Brighton to be lit with electricity. Also, he was an honorary radiographer at the Children's Hospital.
As a teenager, Jill used to visit her grandfather at his workshop, which is still being used by the railway today.
Such a small door.
Well, he wasn't very big himself. About 80 years since I came here last.
What was this space used for?
They had the dynamos here to power the electric railway. Nearly there.
So, George, you almost expect to see your grandfather
Yeah, sitting
there.
at his desk and keeping an eye on things out there, watching the trains go up and down. That's wonderful.
You can see why he chose this spot for his
Oh,
office.
yes, see what's going on. That's good.
So Volk's original railway is still here. But what happened to his daddy Longlegs?
There was the most appalling storm in 1896. Daddy Longlegs fell over and was totally destroyed. And it had only run for 6 days. You must imagine the frustration Magnus Volk must have felt. But he rebuilt it, and it ran for another 4 years after that.
That must have cost investors a huge sum of money.
It was probably £500,000 in modern terms to rebuild it. And it never made money after that, which is one of the reasons why it didn't last.
In the end, Volk had to abandon the daddy Longlegs because he couldn't afford to move the tracks to make way for new coastal defences. His electrifying attempt to conquer the waves were claimed by the sea.